Hey everyone, here's a quick video showing you how to insert a picture using the camera on your device. So you can see right now I'm on my math journal, so I'm in my slides, and I'm going to go to the insert option, and I'm going to make that choice for image. When I do that, you'll see a menu appears, and the very last choice is camera. I'm going to go ahead and select that option, and when I do, you'll see my camera open up, and here's my worksheet or my math problems that I want to take a picture of. So once that's open, I'm going to go ahead and get the document in the frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose the little yellow picture button. And when I do that, you'll see that it will snap a photo, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose Insert. When I do that, it will take my picture and it will insert it directly into my document. From here, I can resize it accordingly, and then I can go ahead and give my document or my page a title, and I can provide a description for what's in the picture. All right, that's it.